how to add National Trust card to Apple Wallet. What you want to do is go into the App Store first and search for Pass Card. Do it like this, and you want to get this application, Card Manager Digital Wallet. Once you install this app, you will click on Open. It's going to look a little something like this. You will see gift card, loyalty, membership, and all. You want to click on all in the bottom right corner and then add card. Next, select store card. Click on OK, and you want to search for National Trust. You will see National Trust at the very top. Click on it. Make sure you set this to membership. Then you have to type your card or barcode number, your PIN, and any notes that you want to add, as well as the expiration date here. You need to set it. After you have done this, what you can do is also scan your card. Click on Save, and this is going to give you the option to add it to your Apple Wallet. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.